Hello friends, welcome back to my little creative life. I am just sitting here, got back from the grocery store. When I came home though, I noticed a package from Sticker Mule. So the mule sauce from Sticker Mule, where I got some new stickers for my Etsy printed. I'm so excited about it, and I'm really excited about this because I tried to grow the HOLOGRAPHIC pepper in my garden, but none of the seeds germinated. But this is habanero, scotch bonnet, and the HOLOGRAPHIC pepper, which are all spicy, so this might have a little kick to it. I'm very excited to try this out. I'm very excited about my stickers though. I'm so excited. So I've ordered stickers from Sticker Mule before. Specifically, some of my favorites are these ones. This is the customer favorite, like the #1 sticker sold in my shop. So I got a little bit of a restock. It's a holo restock. So let's start with my favorite. This is my favorite sticker in the shop. Keep the sea plastic free. It's the one that's on my phone case. It's on my journals. It's on everything. I love it. This is my favorite sticker. So I had to get it in the holo. Oh my God, look at it. It's gorgeous. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that. So this is the 3-inch white. This is the original. And this is the new 4-inch holo. Look at that. It's like rainbow prismatic. Fantastic. You see the size difference? And then look at that color. Wow, so gorgeous. I'm so excited about this. I don't think this will fit on my phone. No. So I don't know. I wanted to make it bigger and better, and it just turned out beautiful. I love it. This is my favorite sticker. And then the customer favorite sticker in the shop is the little mushroom. So I wasn't sure how this one would look in holo, how the colors would look, but look at that. It's beautiful. That was the one on top. Wow, it's so trippy and psychedelic and gorgeous. So this one's 3 inches, as well as the original, but it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. I don't think I ordered enough of these because honestly this is the #1 seller in the shop. This might take its place though. And then even though we're into June, Mermaid is over, the Roomba just started. I had to get another mermaid sticker because I am in the water all summer long, and this was just too magical. She's gorgeous. She's beautiful. So it's just a little mermaid sitting on a crescent moon with all this sparkle. And you can see so much holo. It's beautiful. Wow. So pretty. And then the last sticker before the Roomba gets here is good vibes. Something that we all need a little bit of right now. So, wow, look at that. It's so pretty. Oh, I'm obsessed. So I am going to put the plants in the ground first. Then I'm probably gonna take some pretty pictures and list all of these new stickers. So my Etsy will be in the description if you guys want to check out any of these cuties. Where are they?